Hi, my name is Matthew and I'm from Remotec. So we make remote controllers.
So is this a special remote that you say connecting everything. What does it do?
Exactly. So you have a remote controllers for your television. You have a remote controllers for your air conditioners, right? So we are putting everything in one remote control. So as you can see, you can control air conditioners, fan, lighting, television, everything here. And then you can simply switch it to this lighting platform. Let me switch it to blue color. Here you go. And that one will slowly switch to blue.
It's a little bit busy here, the trade show with the signals and everything. And if we go back, I saw there was Chromecast and projector. It's just a universal, right? You will connect to anything that has IR, or what kind of connection?
Exactly. So in this page, this can control everything with IR. So I can actually show you.
What it will do with the Chromecast?
Oh no, it's just switch the button to be the Comcast button. If I put it in fan mode, then I can then I switch on the fan here. And then if I use the Samsung one, then I press on off, then I turn on.
Nice.
So
what do we see here at your booth? Z-Wave, is this your stuff also?
Oh yeah. So other than remote controllers, we also do a lot of home automation IoT devices. So let's say like this one, this is for the heat radiator with Z-Wave, then you can control for your room temperature. And then we also have flood sensors, switch, door sensors. And we also do GPS tracker, and then we're selling it quite well in Japan for the school kids, so they can put it in the backpack and then we can track it and make sure they're all safe. So this is a e-ink sync controller. So you can actually program the button up here, but this is a mock-up right now. But because we are using e-ink, so you can simply change the interface of it.
So the screen is always on, but using zero power or
exactly.
very little?
Yeah, slightly more than zero, but yeah, it can last for a very, very long time.
So you call this the remotable?
Remodo VIS, this is what we call it, Remodo VIS. So this one is VIS. So Remodo is actually our brand of innovative remote controllers. This one we call it Remodo Duo Plus with a solar harvesting panel at the back. This one is the previous generation. So we also got a Red Dot Award for this one last year.
What kind of solar is this? How does it work, this solar? Is it perovskite or just normal?
Oh, it's normal. It's just power up the whole thing. So it doesn't really change the battery at all for these remote controllers.
So it's always fully powered?
Yes.
And this is also IoT stuff?
Yeah, with this one, you can actually connect to your laptop and then use it as a presenter and video conference call, like mute it, turn on the camera, this kind of function.
Nice. Do you have other remotes there?
Yeah, well, these two is the
connection.
Yeah, these two are the most cutting edge ones, and our focus right now. But we always do traditional remote controllers like those.
That's also your designs?
Oh yeah. So this is actually a design that we made for our customers, and then they have a logo here. I don't know if you can show it.
Oh, sorry, yeah. And what is the system in here?
We develop it by ourselves.
Is this a little microcontroller, little chip in there, the OS
yes,
and everything?
we got an MCU in there to power up the screen and everything.
And you can customize the design a little bit?
Yeah. Well, the UI right now is very simple, but I mean, at the end of the day, when it goes to mass production, we are going to make it a lot prettier for sale.
What can be the price? Is there any chance this is a great price?
Well, let's see. Our target right now for MSRP for this remote controller should be around 89 something US dollars. 89. Nice. So slightly more expensive than normal, but it's not like crazy expensive as
because
other remotes.
There's one challenge with the IoT. I think, is so many different systems and everything,
exactly.
Different gateways and everything. Maybe a simple remote can make things more simple.
Exactly. The idea is because it have a Wi-Fi in there, it can control to our cloud, and our cloud actually have API to reach like Philips Hue, SmartThings. So our idea is using one remote controller to control all kind of platforms, all kind of smart home devices. This is the target.